Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a withdrawal from your Crypto.com account. Whether you're moving your funds to another wallet or just cashing out, I'll guide you step by step, so let's get started. First, open up your Crypto.com app and go to Accounts. From there, tap on CryptoWallet.next. You'll see a transfer button. Tap that, then select Withdraw and choose External Wallet. Now you'll need to pick the wallet address you want to send your funds to. This should already be white. For security, once you select the wallet, choose the currency you'd like to withdraw. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, and then enter the amount you want to send. Before finalizing, take a moment to review everything carefully on the confirmation page. Double-check the address and the amount, then hit confirm. For security, you'll need to verify the withdrawal. If you've already set up a passkey, you can verify with that. If not, you'll be asked to use an SMS one-time password, plus the 2FA code generated by your authenticator app. Once you've completed verification, your withdrawal request will be submitted. All you need to do now is wait for the network to process the transaction. The speed will depend on the blockchain you're using, so don't worry if it takes a little while. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a withdrawal on Crypto.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple crypto guides, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.